Well, after the holidays, I'm a little bit not in the mood for food, so I'm going to go ahead and make myself a protein shake. I put in 1 cup of water, 1 cup of soy milk, one scoop of the protein, the whey protein, 1 scoop of the peanut butter, the powdered peanut butter, a bunch of spinach, about a half a cup of cacti, the edible cacti, and a splash of cinnamon, powdered cinnamon. You blend and enjoy. You can throw some ice in there if you prefer it to stay colder longer. And there it is. I made quite a bit of it, so I usually drink this throughout my whole morning. I'm not gonna have a chance to make my normal breakfast today, so I eat this throughout the morning until I have time to make myself a proper meal.